with the people that die out of bullets where we no get war. Hunger server say hello. Will you talk then lock you up? Different serve not free again. Who say we country they go back? Una help me make we pray to God because we don't lost. We want fair we way. We want come to one. We country don't divide this demo. Oh, we on sweet yard. This is really don't painful. Every angle, every corner, the government, they make sure say it puts people them where they attack or target things them. Yes, subscribe. You always they watch we program them, but you not subscribe it to the channel. All what you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It not get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you the support we for make we do more. For make we go able to grow fast and pass this number, all what you can do for help, come up outside these three dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na with channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you. Me people them, me loving viewers them. I want to tell una very sorry for yesterday. Yesterday. The one them we no want for Yeri waiting there inside that thing day, inside that particular video day. Then report to YouTube say the video offensive. But praise God, YouTube put on down that moment say. But then get back to we and ask we waiting we think say happen. Then we make we case. Now YouTube no say that complaint they where then they lay against we yard a politically motivated. Una secrets and don't come on a do. Even YouTube don't know about una. But anyway, me viewers then let's tell una something. Things then they inside the last video. Inside the last video where we post. At the display for you up now. You can click them at any time and go watch them. Watch them from start to finish. Then you go know say the thing they all where they happen inside we yard, not by mistake. It really well planned. It really planned. Today I not come for can tell. I just come for tell una say we very sorry. But that video where we do yesterday, where we post, this government don't put people away the monitor we. Thank you to una all because now una don't make we don't get a recognition. If not to una for the any side. Now the government they monitor we and then they make sure say they want for disturb we, but then don't fail because YouTube don't understand. That video they where them be report where YouTube remove. They don't put them back because YouTube don't understand. Waiting na the reason we make the report them. Anyway, una watch that video day because things them day where I really want for make you see. When a thing then day, if we avoid them things then day, then kind thing that will happen inside we have so and not go happen again. We no want for go back outside we been go or outside we been don't come out. Okay, let's tell you now how for go because of the kind complaint we been come up. Now when you are watch that particular video day, you get for give you consent to YouTube. I go explain to you how you for go about them for let you watch them. Now you go na your YouTube app, you press on. When you go inside your app, you type for Weird. When you don't type for Weird, you press on. Okay, under Weird, you see the video. Now you press on the video. When you press on the video, then they give you this message. Say the following content has been identified by YouTube community as inappropriate or offensive to some audience. I tell you now, eh? Okay, so for let you go able for watch am and prove me right or wrong. Yeah, this one, oh by you see cancel there, you see confirm. Press the one with confirm. It done. Straight off, the video they begin for play. Now you watch show. Watch am from the start to the end. You will able for see the coordinated effort of the government for all of them things there so where they happen so. Them plan don't fail, oh, plan don't fail, it don't fail, it don't fail. Oh my God, we had. The way how Justin and Art don't want. Now I make a tell and say, Justin, do ya relax. Let me do this quick one no more. At least let people know waiting they happen. Things that they happen, you know that anything? Things that they happen. But something not the inside that particular video there. You know say one we minister, yeah, where now the minister of lands. Let's ask you now before I talk about this. You know say if you go na any house, you find out say the picking and the cost bad one. You for check the mama and the papa for know how then they live with them picking and they. Wait to make her this say so. Now, the caretaker come, it's getting people a menti. Yes. Abu take a menti. Yes. Now it suspend them. It suspend them because people are like, hey, now it's shame. It suspend them. But if you don't back now, you say, no. This na born me a fee by you. It just the copy from me. Abu ya you position back here. Now I give Abu back. Now the ONS, Office of National Security, then boss now come. He say this time around we go do it in the president one. Now I take the military say we now go and do anything. He give them more power. We not sweet happen Makeni. Not by mistake. I tell you just not say if Pikini do bad thing or see the cost bad one, check the papa and the mama. And not up there, then it's Sandy, when are the minister of lands? Hey, when are the blue eyeball for the pa? Now itself commodities behind them. Come on, cost, come on, things that we say. You know of them thing and then tea. But anyway, I not come for can't say anything. I just come for say sorry for waiting happen yesterday and tell una say the plan of the government don't fail. Remember, now this make them say then get this social media thing where them set up now for debunk fake news. And not to debunk fake news. They were attack people them where them feel say not they in them favor. Oh, we faint by them. Oh, we faint pardon. He left by you, he left by you, babuya yo. He left by you, he left by you, babuya yo. Now, let's tell you now this new thing, the new strategy. Since then, they come now on YouTube for can attack. We now, they go outside people and go get we anyhow. WhatsApp, for God's sake. Now I know it to make certain people they focus on WhatsApp. We they begin attack the issues them now WhatsApp. We know the tab deal. All the social media platform there now. We they begin attack. Oh. You know, this government here has some taking they can give people in sense. All along, we just focus on one side. We quiet. Plenty people don't know about we. Now, just 1,000 some 100 people know about we. Now, we can't go outside, but 7 million and over people they know about we. Oh, Papa God, thank you. I tell this government, thank you. Because if not to them, that they can push me where we start. If not to them, they can push we where we start. We not for be move. Una thank you. But anyway, so we subscribers them. I want for say, God bless una. And the one themselves where they come for can Rikishiwi. We want for say we still love una. Una continue for come. Una continue for report. Una plan then don't fail. Hey, we love una all. Come and join we. We not do anything bad. We just try for put the governments at the right place. If then they do things them we not right, before we pamper them, before we just give them as if we there for them, for God's sake, they want the way they sing praises of the government where they know say not really they do well. They not they try at all. But now so the government want to just want who that they say, hey papa, don't try, like waiting the mommy say, una get bad that, una not they tell the part thank you. Oh, papa, thank you. Now, you know more una want. No, if not that, una they go the wrong way. Una give we chance. Let we self do we own thing. Let una know say certain things and they do go wrong where una need for correct. We do them thing they have for let una get better way how for go before. Anyway, people Una thank you one more time. And one for say sorry. But sometimes they finally bad meet you. So God they open. God not they lock any domot, but he always they open domot them. So some bad news then they. You know, don't accept no more I come. Now good things don't come inside there. Because now we the come out from YouTube. I don't mean so not the post too, but now we the attack all the other platform them. And now they're not going to report we because YouTube don't know about them. Oh la la. Anyway, see you again. But don't forget to check that video and I'll show you back how for go about for watch the video where you press the, yeah? Just go now we yard and I'll show you the step them, yeah? We love you. God bless we all. I'm out. Now, you go na your YouTube app, you press on. When you go inside your app, you type for Weird. When you don't type for Weird, you press on. Okay, under Weird, you see the video. Now, you press on the video. When you press on the video, then they give you this message. Say, the following content has been identified by YouTube community as inappropriate or offensive to some audience. I tell you now, okay. So for you go able for watch them and prove me right or wrong. Yeah, this one, you see cancel there, you see confirm. Press the one with confirm. It done. Straight off, the video they begin for play. Now you watch show. Watch them from the start to the end. You will able for see the coordinated efforts of the government for all of them things there so where they happen so. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe it to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your Messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.